Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G Vijaya Manorama. Subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. So today it is a small video where I am going to discuss 10 tips for creating your own ideal study space. So in this pandemic situation, people around the globe are finding themselves homebound for weeks, months, okay, and things have to be done in a different manner, even studying also. So regularly traditional classes we used to meet our friends, teachers used to teach offline, notes correction, you have to complete your notes, prepare your notes, so many works used to be, but nowadays you all are completing your studies in online. Okay, so nobody has any idea when this pandemic will end or when everything will be back to normal. Until then, we have to keep moving forward while taking all the precautionary measures. Okay, so schools and colleges are not yet open to maintain social distancing, right? So before the pandemic, when everything was normal, it was much easier to distract and escape yourself from studying. But now you have to focus, you have to concentrate, along with the internet you have to complete your studies. Okay, so it can be taken as a positive point to focus on studies now, because one doesn't have any other option left except for being at home and studying. So you have to adjust your time, you have to focus on everything. So start focusing on your skills and you have to polish them. So here are the 10 tips to excel in studies during this COVID-19 pandemic. So first tip is avoid distractions, right? You have to avoid your distractions. So how to avoid your distractions? It is easy to tell. Excessive use of mobile phones and laptops, because you have to run your online classes in the laptop, either in laptop or mobile phones. That is the only these are the only devices which can distract you also, which can create distraction. So you have to fix some time to study and to be focused. When you are done, fix a time to refresh yourself by listening to music or taking a nap or anything that you like. So like that only you can avoid your distraction. Okay, so maybe you're studying with phone or laptop only, but don't go for other activities. You stop your notifications of your all the social medias networks. Okay, so next one is communicate to others at home that will be studying. Okay, so everyone must know, you must communicate with your parents, communicate with your grandparents, whoever are at home. So you will get some idea how to focus on your studies. Okay, they will also give some tips, and they also know that you are studying, so that they will not create any unnecessary disturbances. It is very important to let your family members know that you are studying, to avoid unnecessary disturbances. Okay, so that will give a quiet time to concentrate. Okay, so fix some timings when you can read. Okay, so third tip is focus. Focusing is very important during your chosen time. When you are studying, you have to be very much dedicated and focused. Okay, if you go over, you decide study time, it is a great thing. That means your hyper focus helped you to study hard and prepare even more than you had planned. Okay, so start doing smart work. Do the hard work in a smart manner. Okay, when you are feeling bored or unfocused, you can take short breaks. Okay, little stretch yourself, have some snacks. Okay, speak to your grandparents, spend some time with your siblings. That will give little refreshment to you. Have little snacks and get back to your studies. After finishing whatever the target you have fixed, the fourth tip is reward yourself. Okay, whenever you study very hard, don't forget to reward yourself, because that will motivate you to stay focused. Studying in these pandemic times, when the whole world is going through lots of difficulties, and staying focused towards your studies, that is a very big thing. So you have to reward yourself. Okay, don't forget to reward yourself. But how you are going to reward? By eating your favorite dishes, favorite desserts, watching favorite web series or movies, going for an extra 1 hour sleep. Like that you can reward yourself, because in this pandemic where you can't go out and celebrate, these are the only tips which can help you to stay motivated towards your studies. Next tip is keep reading. Okay, reading out of pleasure or for reference, just keep reading. Reading will increase your vocabulary, reading will improve your grammar. Okay, by reading you can learn so many new things. It will help, reading will help you to stimulate your mind in the down times. That's why keep on reading is a very good thing. So make a habit of, you are reading your class books everything, but make a habit of reading some book which can power your subconscious mind, which can power your conscious mind, which can power your thinking ability. Such books you just go for a 20 minutes of reading before going to bed. Okay, so next tip is set goals. Okay, set some realistic goals that you can achieve. Okay, the goal should not be easily achievable or hard to achieve. Analyze your caliber before setting them. Okay, whatever you can achieve, according to that only you have to set your goal and achieve. Once achieved, don't forget to reward yourself by taking a small break. Okay, next one is maintain your physical health. Being physically active is very important for an active brain. Okay, play indoor games, little exercise you can do, your favorite song you can play, and you can dance, and eat all the nutritious food, nutrients rich food only you must take to stay healthy. Okay, so when you are physically fit, you think of more innovative ideas to do better. Okay. Next one is manage mental health. Okay, it is very important to manage your mental health in these difficult times. You have to learn how to balance your emotions. Okay, a person who is emotionally strong is often more focused and concentrated towards the goal they want to achieve. So you have to manage your mental health. You have to be mentally fit. Physically, if you are very much fit, mentally also you will be fit. So in this difficult times, you have to balance your emotions. That is very important. Next tip is boost your study skills. How to boost your study skill? You have to focus on becoming a better student, improve your handwritings, your learning skills, your vocabulary, your notes making. Because while learning in online only, if you prepare your notes yourself, if you prepare yourself, that will give you a great pleasure, and whenever you want to read, you will feel very refreshing to read your handwritten notes. Okay, so you have to make notes whenever you are learning in online. Whenever you will prepare your own notes, you can remember for a longer time. So always be an organized student, finish your assignments on time, and be creative. Okay, whenever you are presenting your notes, with full of creativity, you try to prepare the notes in the form of flow charts, in the form of mind maps, to that, so that you can remember the things for a longer time. Okay, last but not the least, keep your social connections. Okay, always you connect with your school friends and batchmates regularly through video chats and other applications, so that whatever the doubts also you have, you can discuss. Weekly once you conduct a video conference where you can discuss which topic you have read, whatever the doubts you have. If you discuss among yourself, it will give you a very nice motivation to each other also. Okay. Healthy discussion on various topics like academically and non-academically. Social isolation may lead to loneliness because continuously when you are studying in the online and all, continuously you are connected with the screen only. You can't meet your friends. So most of the children, they miss their friends and all. So whole week you read online and video conference. In the video calls you can meet each other, and what are the chapters you have read, any doubts if they have each other, or else explain each other. That will give you a best result. Okay, so these are few tips which will definitely help you for all the class students. Maybe you are in class 9, you are in 10th or 11th or 12th, whichever the class you may be, it is going to be very much useful. It is maybe 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever may be the class, but it is going to be very much useful because class wise I have not divided any tips, because it is a common tips which you can follow to excel in studies during this COVID pandemic. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy, be strong and be confident. शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट का डाउट्स हो तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम लिंक इज गिवन. यू कैन जस्ट ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स एंड शेयर द video as much as you can. So many chapters also already have started right from 10th and 11th classes. So just go through with my videos, go through all the videos. Okay, if you have any doubts, ask in the comment section or in the telegram group. Okay, share with your friends, ask your friends also to subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.